What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy, the Juice Boy. Well, I got this perfect opportunity to prank Jesse again. Look at that nigga. He just walked in. I swear, I'm not even joking. I don't even know him. Look at that boy. You ready to prank him? Hey, glad you came in, buddy. Glad you came in. All right, let's see what's up. Buddy. Jesse Ponce. This nigga. Jesse Bondoc. Can I come in? Can I come in? No, I just want to show you something. I just want to show you something. I want to show you something super quick.
OJ, what the f, dog?
I don't even think I got Jesse's reaction. Oh, look, there he is.
Dude, I'm not fucking kidding, way. You're gonna get me fucking pissed, dog. Dude, I'm not fucking kidding, way.
I'm going.
No, OJ.
Come on, little guy. Let's go. You heard the big fella. Get the fuck out. Come on, buddy. Hey, thank you for coming. Thank you for being part of the Juice fam. Bye, little guy. Say something to the Juice fam. Hey, say something. Say something.
Yeah, happy birthday to that punk ass bitch.
Yeah, now go with your family. Hey, you can't be here no more. Well, thank you guys for watching. It's early in the morning, and this is your boy, the Juice Boy, signing off. Jesse's actually really mad. He's crying a little bit. So, sorry, Juice fam. Peace out. Peace out. And guys, and super quick before I forget, I want to wish my boy, Jesse, happy birthday, brother. Everybody go down below and comment happy birthday to Jesse. And for a birthday gift, please just subscribe to his channel. Pretty sure that's all he wants.
May wait!
Here's your birthday song, buddy.
Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey. And you smell like 1, 2.
I say,